Okay, fans of porn in the house, make some noise. Nice, good, good. I like it. I like how all the guys with the girls are like, oh, what is porn? I've never seen. I don't know what he's talking about. No idea. No, man, I'm a connoisseur of porn. I've grown up watching porn. I've seen it evolve. Nowadays, watching porn is an experience. You should go to these websites and check it out. It's amazing. You know how many categories there are in porn? It's just like, oh my God, people do that? Oh, okay, okay, nice, okay. That's a camel? What the fuck is it? Just goes on, right? Like a fucking Shiv Sagar menu. It just doesn't end. Then they have other subcategories like videos being watched right now. So you don't feel alone. Don't worry. You're not the only one there with a dick in your hand. There's 80,000 other people doing the exact same thing you are. Come, join us. Then they have top-rated videos, guys. Top-rated videos. Who the fuck has time to rate videos while watching porn? No one's like jacking off like, oh, you know what, the camera work in this now was a little like shaky. I didn't like it too much. You know, acting was okay, but dialogues, ooh, ah, more, amazing. Who's written this? Javed Saab, it's fantastic. Not just this, they have 3D porn, guys. 3D porn. Rahul, you know that? 3D fucking porn. 3D porn is so clear, you can see how sexually frustrated you are. And the newest line of different porn videos, they have actually shot porn in zero gravity. Kitna turkey? I mean, how much porn do you want to see that you went ahead and shot it in zero gravity? But I think it's quite stupid though. Because imagine a doggy style scene, right? Girl's ready, guy comes from the back, poop, and then the girl just floats away. You're like, hey, where the fuck are you going? Come shots would be really weird. Come shots would be really weird. Yeah, give it to me, baby. Okay, Chris. Oh. I'm really disappointed that movie wasn't called Gravity. Like, but nowadays we take porn for granted, right? Nowadays we take porn for granted because now we have 3G, 4G, cable net. But those who grew up in the 90s know the dark times of VSNL dial-up connection. Right? You get excited. I'm going to jack off tonight. You go there, you get ready, and then... I mean, it's fucking 8 hours. What is going on? True, right? But here's the thing, if I go by porn websites, if I go by ads on porn websites, every hot chick in my area wants to fuck me. Right? All the guys will agree. When you go to a porn website, you have these ads that pop up. Oh, Melissa from Bandra wants to have sex with you. I'm like, no, she doesn't. Don't lie. Some porn websites don't even give a shit. They just put a picture of half-naked celebrity saying, oh, Marissa from Bandra wants to have sex with you. I'm like, no, that's Kate Winslet from Titanic. I've fucking seen it. You know the biggest lie on the internet is that age disclaimer at the beginning of the porn website. Are you over 18? Yes. What I want to know is what happens when you press no. Like, I think the porn websites will go into a tizzy. Oh fuck, someone pressed no. Sir, I don't know what we do now. We have no backup plan for this. There was a trivia that I saw online, right? Where they said that 9 out of 10 men admitted to watching porn every day. I'm like, who's that one fucker? Get him to me. I want to chat with him. Then there was another news article that said like a 16-year-old kid in Brazil died after masturbating 42 times in a row. Yes. My question is, who the fuck was counting? How did they come up with that magical number of 42? And did he write it himself like, 42? That's stupid. He could have written 98, would have still believed him. Did he have a friend there with him? Ha, Rajesh, go for it. 1, 2, 3, 40. I mar gaya. Please help. Maybe his gym trainer was there, you know, to egg him on. Come on, Rahul, you can do it. Breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. No pain, no gain, no pain. Did they have a CID team investigate that? You know, like... Abhijit, दीवार पे लगे चीटों को देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि 1, 2, 3. Can you imagine how that investigation must have begun? Like, dish, Daya, zip kholo. Hi guys, that's been my time. You've been absolutely fantastic. My name is Manan Thakur. Thank you so much. Every day I'm trying to act very cool. To change the names and all. I met this trainer in my gym. His name is AJ. Real name is Ajit Chawade.